Welcome back to AutoMaster. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's first ever SUV that blends supercar performance with everyday practicality. This isn't just any high-performance SUV, it's a Ferrari, engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience without compromising luxury and comfort. The Purosangue, which means thoroughbred in Italian, stays true to its name with an unmistakable Ferrari DNA. The exterior design is a masterpiece, combining sleek aerodynamics with aggressive styling. The sculpted hood, signature LED headlights, and large air intakes not only enhance its bold stance but also improve airflow and cooling. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like profile, while the quad exhaust system and diffuser at the rear emphasize its sporty nature. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, making this SUV a statement of both style and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Purosangue houses a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an astonishing 715 horsepower and 528 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse allows the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of over 193 miles per hour. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, it delivers a driving experience that is both dynamic and exhilarating, ensuring Ferrari's legendary performance is intact. Inside, the Purosangue boasts a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. High-quality materials like premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara dominate the interior, exuding sophistication. The fully digital instrument cluster, along with a passenger-side display, provides an immersive experience for both driver and co-pilot. The spacious seating configuration ensures comfort for all passengers, while the latest infotainment system and advanced driving aids make every journey more enjoyable. Pricing for the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, making it one of the most exclusive and expensive SUVs on the market. However, its unique blend of Ferrari's racing heritage, unmatched performance, and everyday usability make it worth every dollar. If you want an SUV that delivers the soul of a supercar, the Purosangue is the ultimate choice. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoMaster for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive content. See you in the next one.